So here some situations are given. In first situation we can see earthquake. In second it is fire, and in third snake bite is seen. So these are also the disasters which we can call it as natural disasters. In this case question will be asked, what will you do in such case of disaster? So हमने क्या करना है ऐसे डिजास्टर में, that will be your opinion. So you have to write the first aid or the first help in these disasters. Now some positions are given here which we have seen in last year syllabus. So how to handle the patient in disastrous condition, it is shown here. Let's see more about it. In emergency, the conditions, various transportation methods like cradle method, carrying on back, carrying on hand to hand, which these methods are followed in for carrying the patients. Those methods depend upon the condition of victim. जैसे patient की condition है उस हिसाब से वो method follow की जाएगी. So we face different types of major or minor disasters in our daily life. So varieties of disasters like accident, stampede, injuries in fighting, electric shock, burns, heat shock, snake bite, dog bite, fire due to electric short circuit, epidemics, or any other diseases, etc. Now we are suffering from pandemic, isn't it? So that is the bigger disaster for us nowadays. So many things happen around us. So victims of disaster need to be offered some primary help before actual medical treatment. That is called as, that primary help before actual medical treatment is called as first aid. So first aid is useful in such circumstances. सबसे पहले तो हम कोई भी disaster आएगा तो we use first aid. So let's see the objectives of first aid. Few are given here. Few see the diagram first, and in this diagram total 8 objectives are shown. Few are given here: relieving pain, attempt to prove the condition, then saving lives and preventing deterioration of condition victims of disaster. So some blank spaces are shown here which we have to fulfill. So some more objectives are there. Let's see. One objective is to give treatment immediately. What we can say it as, we can give the first aid immediately. Then second is transporting. We can safely transport the patients in the hospitals before starting the proper medical treatment. We can give them the first aid. And the third one is that to provide safety and security of the victim. We can assure him that you are safe now, isn't it? So to provide safety and security. Then one more we can call it as medical help. That means before the doctor arrival, जब तक डॉक्टर नहीं आते तब तक जो medical help we can provide it. Okay, so these are the objectives. While asking the objectives, put the objectives only. No need to put the first aid kit. ऑब्जेक्टिव पूछा जाता है और फिर बच्चे लिखते हैं स्मॉल पिंस, ब्लेड, नीडल, बैंडेड, डेटॉल, सीजर, थर्मामीटर. नो नीड. Objectives are different than first aid kit. So turn on the page and see more about first aid kit. So let's see what will be there in first aid kit. So in first aid kit, it is essential to have material necessary for first aid with us. So that material is available in first aid kit. You can also prepare the first aid kit. It is also important to use whatever the material available. It is given in that first aid kit. So bandage, wound gauze, triangular and circular bandage, medicated cotton, hand gloves, clean and dry cloth pieces for cleaning the wound, soap, antiseptics like Dettol and Savlon, then safety pins, blade, small pins, needle, band-aid, torch, scissor, thermometer, petroleum jelly. All these things are necessary, which must be there in first aid box. So without all these things, first aid kit will be क्या बोलेंगे हम, complete ही नहीं है वो पूरा. So it is necessary. All these things are necessary in first aid kit. So this is about first aid. Now let's see more about mock drill. Mock drill is the condition or the practice which is done before any disastrous condition happen. Mock drill यानी हम क्या तैयारी कर सकते हैं, एक practical रहता है. As we have seen the mock drill in our school, we have seen the mock drill of fire. Firefighters came our school and they shown the mock drill of fire, isn't it? So let's see more about mock drill. It is the practice to check the preparedness of facing the disaster as early as possible. Disaster को कैसे face करना है, इसका practice, that is called mock drill. Virtual और apparent situation of disaster is created. तो हमने यहाँ पे virtual भी और apparent भी किया था. In our school we have done, है ना? Some patients we have shown how to carry them, how to give them the first aid, है ना? We have done all this mock drill in I think in last year only we have done. So trained person observe these responsibilities to check exhaustion plan of design for disaster redressal. So it helps to check the efficiency of system prepared for disaster redressal. Mock drill is arranged on disaster of fire in various schools. In our school also we have experienced. So it includes the demonstrations like extinguishing the fire. Yes, we have seen the demonstration, isn't it? Firefighters came and they extinguished that fire. So rescuing the people trapped at higher floors, buildings. कैसे जल्दी से जल्दी 2 मिनट में हमने पूरा बिल्डिंग खाली किया था. Rescuing the persons who clothing have catched the fires. अगर किसी को फायर ने कैच किया भी है तो how to rescue, we have learnt it. So such activities are also arranged by police force and voluntary organizations. So this is about mock drill. Some objectives are given here which are equally important as first aid. So objectives of mock drill. The first objective of mock drill is evaluating the response to disaster. Disaster अगर कोई आता है तो उसमें कैसे response हमको मिलता है, it is done in mock drill. Improving the condition between various departments of disaster control. आइडेंटिफिकेशन ऑफ ओन एबिलिटीज़. हमारी खुद की एबिलिटी क्या है, कहाँ तक हम दौड़ पाते हैं, कहाँ तक हम हेल्प कर पाते हैं, खुद को कैसे बचा सकते हैं. ऑल दिस थिंग्स, आइडेंटिफिकेशन ऑफ ऑल आवर ऑल ओन एबिलिटीज़. नेक्स्ट इज इम्प्रूविंग द एबिलिटी ऑफ क्विक रिस्पॉन्स टू डिजास्टर. डिजास्टर को हम रिस्पॉन्स कैसे देते हैं. चेकिंग द कॉम्पिटेंसी ऑफ द प्लान्ड एक्शंस. जो प्लान हमने बनाया है इसका फायर extinguishing का, what we have followed. So identifying the possible errors and risks. और possible error क्या रह गया है हमारा और कौन सा risk factor रहता है इसमें. So all these things we can prepare or practice by following the mock drill. So these are the objectives of mock drill. Here the lesson has been finished.